A circumstance that could lead to a D&O claim arises. What's an agent or broker to do? Susanne Murray of the New York Office of Insurance Broker, HRH, is an expert in directors and officers liability coverage. In this excerpt from the complete interview with Insurance Journals Andy Simpson, she answers that question and others in a discussion of the role of the insurance broker in D&O liability insurance claims and coverage issues.
How does the broker get involved then at that point if it's say just a circumstance, may not be a claim, but a situation that raises the possibility and they call you, you come in. What does your role become in helping them decide how to proceed?
Well, it's good you ask. I mean, one of the things that we need to do when we place the insurance is we need to say, make sure that you understand what it is you're looking for and call us if you have any possibility that you've got circumstances that might lead to a claim, that you have a potential claim, or that you have a real claim. So our first part is an educational one. Here's how your policy works. Don't forget in the midst of a claim that you've got insurance for it. So don't forget. The second part is don't make the decision yourself as to whether or not it's an insurable problem. Anything at all, give us a call. We're happy to talk through it and determine whether or not it's an insurable problem. So then what do we do about it? They call us, they say, you know, somebody called, a shareholder stood up at the annual meeting and raised a problem. For all these reasons, we'd like to talk to you about whether or not this is a D&O insurance event. So then we talk through it with them. If we determine that they have an actual claim, and that's an easy answer, which is that we will provide notice of the claim. We will send it into the carrier. We will, and to all excess carriers if there are other carriers, and indicate here's a claim. You know, the client is retained certain counsel. The client, wants you to acknowledge receipt and acknowledge coverage and move forward in that regard. So we do that part of the process. If it's not a claim, in connection with the notice of circumstance, you're not automatically going to provide notice to the insurance carrier. That's a discussion topic. Circumstances or potential claims are not, you're not obligated to provide that. It's discretionary. So then you want to talk through the pros and cons of providing notice.